Hey friends, welcome back to the Daily Health Shift. I'm Daniel. Today's topic is gut health reset, how to reboot your digestion and feel better in 7 days. Your gut isn't just about food, it's about mood, energy, immunity, and long-term wellness. In this episode, we'll explore why gut health matters in ways you might not have realized, the most common mistakes I see people making, my personal experience navigating gut issues, and a step-by-step reset plan you can start today. Gut health affects digestion, nutrient absorption, immune system function, and even mental health. Research from Harvard Medical School shows that a balanced gut microbiome improves mood, reduces inflammation, and enhances cognitive function. The gut-brain axis is real. What happens in your stomach doesn't stay in your stomach. Personally, I struggled with bloating, fatigue, and brain fog until I focused on improving my gut health through fiber-rich foods, probiotics, and stress reduction. Once I committed to these habits, I noticed my energy returning, clearer skin, and more consistent digestion. Listener story. Carla from Michigan shared, "After doing a gut reset, my skin cleared up, and I finally had consistent energy throughout the day." Another example is Mark from California, who said, "Fixing my gut health helped me focus better at work and sleep deeper at night." What's even more interesting is that long-term gut health is linked to reduced risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes and autoimmune disorders. These experiences highlight how interconnected gut health is with everything else in your life, from brain clarity to immune resilience. A well-functioning gut isn't just about avoiding discomfort, it's about building a strong foundation for overall wellness. Mistake 1. Overusing antibiotics without recovery strategies. Antibiotics can wipe out beneficial gut bacteria along with harmful ones. Rebuilding with probiotics and prebiotic foods after a course of antibiotics is essential. Mistake 2. High sugar and processed food intake. These feed harmful bacteria and reduce gut diversity. An overgrowth of bad bacteria can lead to digestive issues, skin flare-ups, and mood swings. Mistake 3. Not enough fiber or diverse plant foods. Fiber feeds good bacteria. Diversity is key. Eating only one type of vegetable isn't enough. Aim for colorful plates. Mistake 4. Chronic stress. Stress hormones like cortisol can disrupt gut barrier function and microbiome balance. Mistake 5. Inconsistent eating habits. Erratic meal times confuse your digestive system and microbiome. One additional mistake I see often is not drinking enough water. Hydration is essential for healthy digestion and elimination. Many people also fall into the trap of excessive alcohol or caffeine, which can irritate the gut lining if consumed in large amounts daily. Here's my full gut health toolkit, broken down step by step. First, eat a diverse range of fiber-rich vegetables and fruits. Aim for 20 to 30 different plants per week, including leafy greens, berries, root vegetables, and legumes. I often prep large salads with mixed greens, roasted sweet potatoes, chickpeas, and pumpkin seeds. Second, include fermented foods daily. Yogurt with live cultures, kimchi, sauerkraut, miso, and kefir. Third, take a quality probiotic supplement that includes multiple strains like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. Fourth, reduce added sugar and ultra-processed foods. Opt for whole, natural foods as much as possible. Fifth, practice stress management through breathwork, light movement like yoga or walking, and maintaining good sleep hygiene, 7 to 9 hours per night. I also recommend including prebiotic foods like garlic, onions, leeks, and bananas, which feed good bacteria. Listener story. David from Florida shared, "After adding fermented foods and cutting processed snacks, My digestion improved in just a week. His experience shows how even simple swaps can lead to quick, noticeable results. Another tip, I keep bone broth on hand as it's soothing for the gut lining and provides collagen, which may support gut barrier integrity. Now let's build your 7-day gut health reset plan step by step. Step 1. Clean up your diet by removing processed foods and excess sugar. Focus on whole foods like vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Step 2. Plan daily gut-friendly meals. Each meal should include fiber, like leafy greens or beans, fermented foods, such as yogurt or kimchi, and healthy fats, like avocado or olive oil. Step 3. Set up a hydration and stress reduction routine. Drink half your body weight in ounces of water daily. Practice 5 to 10 minutes of breathwork or meditation each morning and evening. Add an evening herbal tea like ginger or peppermint, which supports digestion. Step 4. Track digestion, mood, and energy each day in a journal. Rate bloating, regularity, clarity of mind, and overall energy on a scale from 1 to 10. Adjust based on patterns you notice. Bonus, keep a list of plant foods and aim to hit 20 to 30 different varieties during the week. This adds fun and variety to your meals while supporting gut diversity. I suggest keeping this list visible on your fridge or phone. Alright friends, that's it for today's episode. If this helped you, share it with someone looking to improve their gut health. And if you want more real-world health advice, subscribe to the Daily Health Shift. Next week, we're diving into sleep optimization techniques beyond the basics. I'll see you then.